I hear all the time about how EVs are too expensive to insure, and I'm not really sure where this information comes from. But here, this is all U.S. autos. Soaring insurance costs hit as U.S. buyers get a break on car prices. So here's somebody talking about they bought a 2024 Cadillac XT4, and when he renewed his insurance a few months later, the rate doubled.
Wow.
That's surprising. Car prices are coming down, but at least part of those gains to consumers are getting gobbled up by rising auto insurance rates that for some models now account for more than a quarter of the total cost of owning a vehicle. That's pretty amazing. You know, with an electric car, you basically kind of wipe out the cost of fueling it, but you still have insurance and, of course, the payment for the car itself. And then you wipe out most of your maintenance. So you've got a lot less total cost of ownership, but it is a big shock of how insurance has gone up. So from a year earlier, the consumer price index rose 3.5% from a year earlier. Auto insurance year over year is up 22.2%, the biggest increase since the 1970s. That is a staggering change, 22% increase in car insurance rates in the United States.
The cynical part of me says that's just a cash grab because they can. However, I know in the insurance business, it's all actuarial and they're figuring things out and calculating and seeing what they can do. But that's a big increase.
Car insurance rates vary widely across the country, influenced by everything from local cost collision repair shops charge to the potential for damage from tropical storms and wildfires. According to Insurify, the average cost for full coverage rose 24% last year and now stands at just over $182 per month. 63% of its drivers surveyed saw rates increase in 23 and predicts rates will rise another 7% in 24. Those are big increases. Now here is 2019 is dark. The lighter color is 2024 in terms of car insurance as a total cost of ownership. Mid-size compact cars, it's really jumped. Mid-size cars, EVs, it's increased, but just from for 16% of ownership to about 18% of ownership. So it's not really been a big change there. But on a mid-size car, it's gone from about 14% to 25%, and from 16% to 26% on a compact car. So it seems to really fit in certain types of vehicles. Pickup trucks didn't go up a whole lot, but pickup trucks, part of that total cost of ownership, pickup trucks are expensive. And so some of these are really pricey. So that this number could have gone up more, but some of this could be the fact that just EV prices on this part are just coming down. And so it doesn't look like EV insurance rates are really going up.
I know that's with graphs like this, you have to really pay attention to what they're actually saying and all the factors that are going into those. Because like you were saying before that, you'd expect electric vehicles to be pretty stable in that space since you don't have variable fuel costs that are going to impact those numbers year over year.
So here's an interesting claim. So a bumper is just a bumper, or a bumper full of sensors costs a lot more to repair. That makes a lot of sense. A lot of the cost is now cars are becoming much more complicated.
Well, and windshields, my goodness, a modern windshield with its rain sensors and everything like that are insane.
Let me see. Here's some issues of new production that influences insurance and its implications. Tesla pioneered the gigacasting, which involves casting a single part that can replace 30 or more separate pieces of metal in a traditional vehicle, reduces production costs, but can make it costlier to repair a vehicle involved in an accident. Yeah, I would think that would be a pretty big deal. Cadillac makes one model now that uses 16 gigacastings. So those are pretty big changes that are going on in the insurance industry and are tough for people to deal with.
Hi, I'm David with EV World News. If you like this video, then please press the like button. If you like the content and would like to see more videos on electric vehicles, then please hit the subscribe button. If you have some feedback for us, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.